It is lovely to see you again. It has been a few weeks since I've seen you last, but I've got this weekend off, so I'm going to do a little bit of solo traveling around an island called Koh Kret in the center of Bangkok. It's not a paradise island, but there is a jungle there, and I'm going to take you with me, so I better get changed. Well, that was easy. I guess we should get going. I feel like I put in the right destination, but it doesn't seem like I'm in the right place. Does this look like the entrance to an island to you? Nope. Okay, so tell a lie. I was actually here yesterday, but I just didn't really get enough footage, so I've come back round two, and this time I bought the bike. How spicy is spicy? It's hot. Ignore the sweat. It's 30 degrees and I am just lucky that it's not blaring sunshine. Mozzies everywhere. Found this cool place, this massive gate, but I can't go in. I wanted to take this time to tell you what I'm doing in school because I'm having quite a good time. I've only been there 3 weeks, but I had no bad days. I've had good days or exceptional days. That's certainly not how it was in my last job. Well, you already knew that I was working in a boarding house, but during the day, I'm a teaching assistant effectively for DT, science and math, but I've spread myself too thinly between those subjects. So from next week, it's going to be 50-50 maths and DT. I love both the department. I love both the departments. That's the one. I need to get better at doing this when other people are about. They just walk by and then I just forget everything. That's right. I've got a banana. The fruit out here is incredible. So good. I mean, I eat quite healthily anyway, but to have super nice fruit every day, it's a pleasure. It is a treat. I will admit that. Thanks for watching. Press that like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh my God, it's raining, man. It's getting real wet outside. Look at this. But yeah, I'm gonna go inside because this does not look good. Look at the snake. Wow. That's my first snake cam. Snake cam 1. I think it doesn't. Ah. It's pretty banana-like, I guess. It's the smallest banana.